Hi guys, it's Debbie from Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and I'm gonna go ahead and share the different Happy Mail swaps that I had gotten in within the last few days. I got things from several different groups on Facebook, and just wanted to share those. These are super cute. First one is from Mary. The group is Swapper's Corner, and it is a pocket letter. This one is a coffee theme. And I thought this was really, really cute. She decorated each of these sleeves. This one has a little shaker in it. That is too cute. And of course I love coffee theme, anything. Anyway, I recognize a couple of stamps that I have myself. So thank you so much, Mary. Appreciate that. She also put on the back of the card. So I'm thinking these may count as artist trading cards. So she put her name and date on those, which is super nice. So thank you for that, hon. I appreciate it. The second is a set of bookmarks from Girls Giggles Glitter and Glue. We had done a swap a little while back, and everybody sent in, I believe it was 6 bookmarks, and you would get back one from each of the different people. So let's take a look at these. So I've got 4, so I was wrong on the number. This one has a quote on there, "Books are uniquely portable magic" by Stephen King. I love Stephen King stuff, so that definitely sounds like him. That is really pretty. This one, don't know what that says other than love, but that is really pretty too. I hadn't seen anything like that before, so thank you for that. This one is a ribbon bookmark. It looks real durable, and that's pretty, so that'll work real well. And of course the bow at the top will show out of the top of your book. And then this one is in a sleeve. Let me get that bookmark out. Really heavy duty. I think this might actually be, it's either on chipboard or wood. A couple little houses, birdhouses on there, and that is really super pretty too. Anyway, I really appreciate that, ladies, so thank you for that. Next I've got a bunch of cards. The first one is okay, I'll start at this one. The first one is from the group Card Swappers Plus. It was from Diana, and the swap was do a card about what makes you happy, and it looks like she really likes Cinco de Mayo, and I love the gold. I'm gonna need you to show me what techniques you used for that, because that is very, very pretty. I like that background. That was super nice. The next ones are from, the next one is from Mary Nelson. This is a color swatch card that we were doing, and the group for a lot of these is going to be card Congo, so the next ones are all card Congo. So first, this part is not for that swap. She basically sent me a card with a note because this was her first one, and I really appreciate that. That was super sweet. But this was the card that she made for the swap. The colors, these are pretty much close to what we needed for that swap. I love the techniques. I love the raised images on there, and this is just so beautiful. I love that card. I'm gonna have to duplicate that one. This one is this next one is from Nina. This one is for a card sketch. It was from, that was our newest card sketch, so that one is really, really pretty. The next one's also from her, and that was a letter C, and she did this cute chicken, so that is super cute. And then I've got one from Karen, which is also a letter C card, and hers is chocolate. Who doesn't love chocolate? So I absolutely love that. That is just too cute too. So I want to just say thank you so much, ladies, for swapping with me. While I've been sick, you've definitely helped to start my creative juices going back along. I'm still having some trouble breathing, but I'm carrying on with it, so thank you so much for your support, and thank you for all of the sweet cards that you've been sending to me. And you should be getting yours soon if you haven't already gotten those, so thank you for participating in these swaps with me. That's it for today. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day, and happy crafting.